Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restart VIVO V60 Lite. Okay, we have two methods how we can do it. I'll show you both methods. Let's begin with the simple reboot using the power menu. This method is of course recommended when our device is working properly, I mean when it's fully responsive. To perform the reboot, we need to launch the power menu, we need to click the power button and volume up button at the same time, just like that. Now all you need to do is to tap on the restart button. After that, your device will be turned off. Wait a few seconds and it will be automatically turned on back again, and it will be ready to use. That's the first method. We also have the forced restart. This method is recommended basically when we cannot perform the reboot that I have just shown you, and in situations, for example, when we have unresponsive or frozen screen. To perform it, we need to hold power button and volume down button at the same time for at least 10 seconds until device turns off. So let me show you how to do it. Hold both buttons. Don't worry that you have taken a screenshot, sometimes it happens. You can always delete it later. Simply keep holding both buttons until device turns off. Okay, now we can release our fingers. We can see that the Vivo logo appeared on the screen right now, and now we just need to simply wait until we see our lock screen. Okay, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.